that was also very scary. Have you noticed that a lot of my greetings are really weird? Anyway, hello and welcome to here. I'm Aziza, if you do not know that already, and I wanted to do just a really short video of a unboxing of sorts, but it's not an unboxing because there's no boxes, and what it more so is mailbox goodies. Oh. And what that is goodies that have arrived in my mailbox. So what we have today, I have a small pile. Here's some of it. Here's some of it. Oh. Sorry. And here's the last piece. This is from Milligram, which was formerly known as Notemaker, and they are located in Australia. Now, these products have been sent to me for review, but I'm not reviewing here. Again, as I said, this is just mailbox goodies because sometimes it's just fun to take a look at what's going on, like look at what's coming in and not review anything just yet. So, as I said, this was sent by Milligram. This is not sponsored. I haven't been paid to post this. I am posting this because I thought you might enjoy like just seeing some of the new stuff that's coming in. So, thank you to Milligram, and let us carry on. We have some stuff. First thing, the box actually came with a little magazine. Oh, yes. The Milligram magazine. It's paper. I like these kinds of things because I like to see the products for the stores that I can't actually shop at. And I'm sure I'm not the only one. Like, I'm sure there are others who, oh, it's super bright, sorry. The camera's like trying to adjust. I'm sure there are others who enjoy this type of stuff. But that aside, the first thing that I have is actually the original reason that Milligram contacted me, because in the past I have done these ink votes for the new Robert Oster inks. So I'll do a poll on Instagram and you can vote for your favorite color, and they just kind of want to have an idea of like what colors people like, and it's also a giveaway. So the winning bottle goes to one voter. So we're gonna do that again, but I will just brief you on the colors that I have. So first of all, we have Robert Oster Aussie Gold and Robert Oster Orange Rumble. I'm not gonna say Robert Oster every time because I sound insane, but there's only two more anyway, so I guess I will. Robert Oster Aussie Brown and Robert Oster Lime Juice. I have to say, just based on the swabs on the tops of the labels, I like the color scheme. It's very earthy, and although it's not fall, it's kind of like fall-ish, just based on the shades. Anyway, I think it's really cute. Like the color scheme is cute. So I will be doing full reviews on these, but also, as I said, the ink voting poll on Instagram. So keep an eye on my Instagram. The next thing I have here, I have the list, the name of these because I want to make sure I name them correctly. So this is an A5 notebook. It comes in a set of 2. This is the Mark Martin notebooks, and they are designed in collaboration with Milligram. So this is the Archive and Library Collection. These are lined, and I'm just going to show you the pink foiling. It's really cute. I will open it up in a second. I just thought I would do this right now. This one is, again, another collaboration. It's the Melbourne Museum Notebook. This is the A5 size. And... no, wait. I said that wrong. No, I didn't. No, sorry. This was the Melbourne Museum. And this was the Mark Martin limited edition artist collection. Sorry. This is why I had the paper, which actually has the names on them, but I'm not necessarily the most astute in terms of getting the names right. So they are soft cover notebooks. I'm just going to grab myself a tiny little knife to open these up. Here's my knife. It's a little Spyderco. It's a bug, and it's really small, and it's great for opening up notebooks like this because the blade is extremely sharp. So while I open this, I'm just ramble opening the plastic, taking off the plastic. So exciting. Putting the plastic over there. It stuck to me. Okay, putting the plastic over there. These are really beautiful. Like, look at those covers. There's some foiling in there and it has this nice texture. I was really excited about this. So I picked these notebooks because I was interested in these covers themselves. These are dots. They smell really good. Please don't act like you do not get a new notebook and smell it first thing. So let's open up the Melbourne Museum Collection notebooks. These are lined, and as I said, there's 2 of them. These ones also have like the similar cover texture, but it's very, very pretty with the foiling. So those are the notebooks. These are the 4 Robert Oster inks I will be reviewing as well. And they also sent a fountain pen. This is the Kaweco Milligram Skyline, and it is in a special color called Sage. Comes in just like a simple little box, which I really like because it's very simple. And this is the color. Very nice. It is very sagey, so it's kind of like a muted green, and I really like it. Very like an earthy color. And what I also really like is it's got Milligram engraved in silver, or filled in silver. I don't know if it's showing up. There we go. It's okay. Not very dramatic. Milligram. So super cute. Comes with a clip. So this will be fun because it's actually been quite a while since I've used a Kaweco Sport, and I know, at least for me, the different colors are always really fun. So it'll be fun to check it out and see how it looks in action. It's an extra fine. I'm actually kind of looking forward to trying the extra fine because typically I go for like the broads, and I don't have a whole lot of extra fine nibs in my collection or in my my pen case. So that'll be fun. And as I said, it's really cute. I really like this. Like, this is really cool. I like the collaboration that they have done here. So that's another thing that I've got here to play with. And actually, that wraps up this very simple mailbox goodies. Here's the pile. Dun, dun, dun. Thank you again to Milligram for sending all this stuff to check out. Feel free to check them out. They're online. I'll put links on in the description so you can follow them if you're interested. They often have a lot of giveaways, so that's pretty cool. And that's everything for now. Thank you for joining. If you would like, and I would also like, you can subscribe and like the video if you want. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and I am all across the board. I am Gourmet Pens. So find me there, and I hope this was sort of fun, and we will see you next time.